Increase the possibility for YouTube channel success by simply sharing cute and hilarious pet videos. Earn thousands of dollars each month just by copy-pasting content from a Chinese app and earn $1,500 a week. Step 1. Research successful channels. Let's begin with the first step, visiting a YouTube channel named Giggles Muse. This channel features videos about pets and their interactions with humans. However, these aren't original videos. They repurpose viral content from Chinese social media apps. Since YouTube is banned in China, those platforms serve a similar purpose where videos are shared. Just like this channel, we can download videos from these Chinese apps and upload them to YouTube for profit. The videos are cute, funny, and engaging, making them highly watchable. They have garnered millions of views, resulting in significant monthly earnings. As of now, they have uploaded 48 videos and achieved over 1 million subscribers, showcasing impressive growth since they started in May 2023. According to Social Blade, they earn between $3,000 and $4,000 monthly. It's important to note that YouTube pays relatively little for short-form content, with earnings around 50 cents per 1,000 views. While Social Blade reports over 1 million views in the past 30 days, actual views may be closer to 1.5 million, translating to approximately $750 in earnings from those videos. Additionally, they secure sponsorships related to pet care, valued at around $500 each. If they produce just 3 sponsored videos weekly, that adds up to an extra $1,500 each week. By sorting their videos by popularity, we can see they attract considerable viewership, indicating a lucrative niche that we can emulate. With this approach, it's feasible to earn $1,500 weekly or $3,000 to $4,000 monthly. The best part is that you won't need to create these videos yourself. I will show you the Chinese apps to obtain and legally use these videos. You can also monetize them on other platforms like TikTok and Facebook to enhance your income. It's simpler than it sounds. Step 2. Download Chinese apps. Now, let's move on to Step 2, where we need to find some adorable animal videos. We will utilize various Chinese apps for this purpose. There are several options available, including Douyin.com, which is the Chinese equivalent of TikTok. Additionally, apps like Kuaishou.com and Xiaohongshu offer a wide range of animal videos. For this tutorial, we will focus on the Xiaohongshu app, but you can choose any app that suits you. To begin, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on whether you're using an iPhone or Android device. Simply open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for either the Xiaohongshu app or the Red Note app, as they refer to the same platform. The app's appearance will be similar on both stores. If I translate the web page into English, you'll see it labeled as the Xiaohongshu app, while on the Google Play Store, it appears as the Red Note app. Install the app on your device and register using your Gmail or mobile number. If you encounter any access issues, consider using a free VPN on your smartphone or computer to connect to these apps. Step 3. Find and download videos. After logging into the app, the interface will appear as follows. First, click on the drop-down icon and select the Edit option. Remove all the existing topics one by one. Next, add new topics like pets, funny, home, and emotion. Once you've done that, hit the Done button, and your account will start displaying pet and funny videos. You can also use the search bar to find adorable and amusing pet videos. Now, select a few pet videos with high views and engagement, meaning lots of likes and comments. For instance, I found a humorous video featuring a dog asking for pets. To download this video, tap the share icon in the top right corner and then select the copy link option. This will copy the video link to your clipboard. Then, go to Google and search for Download Xiaohongshu Video and choose the second website from the results. On this site, paste the copied URL for the video. Click the download button and you will see options to either download the video or an image. Select Download Video, and once the video appears, click the 3 dots to download it to your device. Step 4. Edit and repurpose videos. To prepare this video for upload on YouTube and generate income, we need to make some edits and incorporate text and humor. Start by using ChatGPT to create funny captions for the video. Simply describe the scenes to ChatGPT, and it will provide you with short, entertaining captions that can enhance the video's uniqueness and appeal. These humorous captions will engage viewers, prompting them to interact by commenting and liking the video. Next, we need to edit the video and translate it into English, as most YouTube users primarily understand English. For this, I recommend using dupdub.com. Dupdub is a comprehensive content creation platform that allows you to transform ideas into engaging scripts, create voiceovers, generate AI avatars, and edit videos using its online AI video editing tools. Since the video is in Chinese, the first step is to translate it into English. Click on the video translation feature on Dupdub, upload the video you downloaded from the Xiaohongshu app, select Chinese as the original language, and choose English for the translation. You can enable additional features if desired, then hit the Translate Video button to let Dupdub's AI process it. After a brief wait, the video will be ready. While Dupdub successfully translates the video, you may need to edit the voiceover and subtitles to ensure they align properly. Click on the Edit button to access the Dupdub AI video editor, where you can adjust the voiceover speed and choose your preferred voice. You can also modify the subtitles' timing, increase their duration, adjust the font size, and change their color to enhance professionalism. Finally, incorporate the humorous captions generated by ChatGPT by selecting the text option and placing the captions in your desired locations within the video. Once editing is complete, export the video, and it will be ready for uploading to YouTube for monetization. Step 5. Upload to YouTube. To upload the video you created with Dupdub, head to your YouTube channel and click on the Create icon. Ensure you include a keyword-rich title, which you can identify by using tools like YouTube Trends and keyword planners. Additionally, craft a catchy description for your video, include relevant pet-related tags, and design an eye-catching thumbnail to boost your views. Besides YouTube, consider sharing your video on other platforms such as Facebook and TikTok to enhance your earnings. You can apply for monetization on YouTube once you achieve 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. This allows you to earn through AdSense, sponsored content, and affiliate links included in your video description. As mentioned earlier, these videos can also be monetized on TikTok and Facebook, helping you further increase your income. So far, in this video, this serves as your guide to copy-pasting animal videos from Chinese apps to YouTube and generating revenue. By downloading these clips, adding some creative flair with humorous captions, and editing them using tools like Dupdub, you can create unique content for YouTube and other platforms. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly, engage with your audience, and optimize your videos with catchy titles and descriptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever thought about starting a channel like this? What type of animal content would you want to create? Let me know. Also, subscribe to Profitability Plus for more insights and strategies to boost your online income. Until next time, keep creating, and best of luck on your journey.